Realme has just announced its latest numbered series smartphones in India, and one of them is called the Realme 12 Pro Plus. It comes with several upgrades over the previous model it replaces, moving its focus away from the primary camera onto the telephoto camera for its most high-end mid-range offering. So let's take a closer look at what's changed and what's new. But first, let's take a quick look at what's in the box. The Realme 12 Pro Plus has a design which has some similarities with its predecessor, the 11 Pro Plus. There's a familiar 3D curved edge 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Pro XDR OLED display on the front with a thin bezel on all sides, which gives the phone a premium appearance. Around the back is a familiar layout with a vegan leather texture finish on our submarine blue unit, which has a split design with the raised circular camera module that stands out and looks quite unique with its watch-like appearance. The phone feels slim and light to hold, and for the first time also has an official IP65 rating for dust and water resistance, which is impressive for a smartphone at this price point. The phone also has a stereo speaker setup similar to the Realme 11 Pro Plus. The Realme 12 Pro Plus debuts Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 SoC in India. The processor has a maximum clock speed of 2.4 GHz and is built using the 4nm process, making it quite power efficient. The phone is available in 3 variants, offering a maximum of 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, which is not expandable, but its SIM card tray has space for 2 nano SIM cards on dual 5G standby. The camera setup has changed quite a bit from last year's Realme 11 Pro Plus. The massive 200MP primary camera has been replaced with a sensible 50MP Sony IMX890 camera, which comes with OIS. There's a 64MP OV64B telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom and OIS, and an 8MP ultra-wide camera which seems to be the same as last year's model. The 32MP selfie camera also remains unchanged. The phone packs a familiar 5000 mAh battery, but now charges at a slower 67W versus the 100W charging offered on the Realme 11 Pro last year. Realme claims a 100% charge in just 48 minutes, which is something we will test out in our full review. There's Realme UI 5.0 offered out of the box, which is based on Android 14 and seems to have several third-party apps pre-installed. It comes with some new features like File Dock and Flash Capsule, which we will go into detail in our review. And that's it for our first look of the Realme 12 Pro Plus. Is it a proper all-rounder? Sound off in the comments below. I'm Sheldon Pinto, and for all things tech, stay tuned to Gadgets360.com.